According to the NGO World Central Kitchen, 7 individuals associated with celebrity chef Jose Andres' organization were tragically killed in an Israeli airstrike in central Gaza on Monday. The victims hailed from Australia, Britain, Poland, the United States, Canada, and Palestine. They were traveling in 2 armored vehicles adorned with the WCK logo, along with another vehicle, as stated by World Central Kitchen in a released statement. Israel has consistently refuted accusations of obstructing the distribution of essential food aid in Gaza, attributing the challenge to the logistical constraints faced by international aid organizations. However, despite coordination efforts with the Israeli Defense Force, a convoy was struck while departing from its Deir al-Balah warehouse. This occurred subsequent to the unloading of over 100 tons of humanitarian food aid, which had been transported to Gaza via sea, as stated by WCK. This is not only an attack against WCK. This is an attack on humanitarian organizations showing up in the most dire of situations, where food is being used as a weapon of war. This is unforgivable, said Erin Gore, chief executive of World Central Kitchen. The Israeli military said it was doing a thorough review at the highest levels to understand the circumstances of what it called a tragic incident and pledged an investigation by an independent, professional, and expert body. Israel has been under mounting international pressure to alleviate the severe hunger in Gaza, which has been devastated by months of fighting that has laid waste to so much of the enclave and forced most of the population from their houses. The United Nations and other international groups have accused Israel of hindering aid distribution with bureaucratic obstacles and failing to ensure the security of food convoys, underlined by a disaster on February 29, in which around 100 people were killed as they waited for an aid delivery. Founded by Andres in 2010, World Central Kitchen originated from a mission to provide culinary aid to Haiti following a devastating earthquake. Andres expressed profound sorrow and solidarity for the families and loved ones affected by the recent tragedy. WCK's core mission involves delivering food relief and preparing meals for vulnerable populations. Last month alone, WCK reported distributing over 42 million meals in Gaza within a span of 175 days. In March, World Central Kitchen facilitated the international aid shipment to Gaza via a sea route from Cyprus, underscoring its commitment to humanitarian efforts. Recently, a second maritime aid delivery of 332 tons reached Gaza. Since its inception, WCK has extended its reach beyond Haiti, offering assistance to communities grappling with natural disasters, refugees along the US border, healthcare workers during the COVID-19 crisis, and individuals affected by conflicts in regions like Ukraine and Gaza.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.